People die every year in hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes. This makes me mad as hell, and I bet it makes you that way also. It upsets me, and I bet it upsets you too. Every year people are dying from hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes. It's time that the construction industry does something about it. This 2x4 and plywood and chicken wire and plaster don't cut it anymore. It's time to build with masonry. Hello, my name's Charlie Cummins, and I teach men and women to lay brick, block, and stone. Here's my ideal on how we can fix this problem. The way you teach men and women to lay block is this way. They build a wall. The instructor looks at it, grades it, tells them do this, do that. They build it again. They tear it down. They build it. They tear it down. They build it. They tear it down. They do this until they can lay 50 8-inch block in 1 hour or less that is jointed, brushed off, and rejointed. They do this over and over again until they can lay the 50 block in 1 hour. Near perfect workmanship. So why not have the trainees build the walls and not tear them down? And we use these walls for all the outside walls of these hurricane, tornado, and earthquake areas all around the United States, instead of building the walls and tearing them down. These are beautiful block walls, near perfect workmanship. It's time to start building strong masonry walls instead of 2x4, plywood, metal lath, and stucco. Let's build strong block walls. This is how we can slow down a lot of the deaths and destruction from all these hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes. This building system that I'm talking about is called PREFAB reinforced masonry panel construction. I'm talking about masonry panels, block panels that are 8 inches or 12 inches thick. They could be decorative block. These blocks are solid grouted with a whole lot of 5/8 inch rebar in them. The same block my trainees are laying and tearing down, laying and tearing down. Okay, now everybody remembers the story about the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. So let's cut through the chase and build with block. Let's outfox the wolf. Okay, now you may want to take some notes on this. It would be possible for me to put together a masonry training center / prefab masonry panel plant that could build enough block walls to go all the way around an entire football field, which is 360 feet by 160 feet, and build a wall 24 feet high every 2 days. Let me repeat that. A wall 24 feet high around an entire football field every 2 days. FOB our yard. To do this, we have to find a block plant that can supply us with 28,000 8/16 block and 280 yards of 3/8 inch minus grout every 2 days from any area where we put the masonry training center / prefab reinforced masonry panel plant. Now with the proper design, this would create enough outside walls for 30 houses that are hurricane, tornado, earthquake, resistant proof homes. That's 30 every 2 days to start with. These walls could be 10 to 16 feet high, depending on how deep we have to go to get below the frost line in cold country. Here's another cost savings. It's a bonus by building with panels. There'd be no need for a continuous footer to support the outside walls. These panels can be set on just concrete footer pads. This saves a lot of labor and concrete. All right, moving along. Question. But Charlie, how do you know this will work and can even be done? How do you know you can build block walls at a masonry training center and haul them to the job site without breaking them? This is easy to prove. Just Google Nilo Hotels. That's NYLOHOTELS.com. NiloHotels.com. Please note, all of the brick outside walls on these 4-story high hotels each have 70 to 80 panels. These panels are double brick walls. 90% of them have a 4-inch, have 3 windows in them. They got a 4-inch cavity in between them. That's brick on the outside, brick on the inside with a 4-inch cavity. These are post-tension walls. The hotel in Dallas and the hotel in Warwick, Rhode Island, they were built in Kansas and trucked to Dallas and to Warwick, Rhode Island. The one in Plano, Texas, was built in the parking lot, and it was set, all the panels were set in 4 days when it was ready to be set. Now ask yourself, if you can build all the outside brick walls with 3 windows installed in them and truck them panel by panel to Dallas and Warwick, Rhode Island from Kansas, then you can see how much easier it would be to build block panels and truck them anywhere in the USA to be used in low-cost hurricane, tornado, earthquake, resistant-proof houses, saving human lives and total building destruction. This will even work in low-cost housing for the homeless, not to mention the new Green Deal. We can save the trees, and the final bonus, we create thousands of jobs, high-paying jobs. So if any of this interests you, please get in touch with me. I'm Charlie Cummins. Also, know this and remember, we start new students, new trainees every day. We have financing for everyone. Remember this, we work with employment staffing companies that can get you working masonry for top dollar anywhere in the USA. I said top dollar. Why? Because the more money you make, the more money the employment staffing company makes. No robot will ever replace you. Your job or your profession will never go to another country. They cannot build a Walmart in China and ship it to the United States. Any questions you may have, call, text, or email me. I'm Charlie Cummins. If you can't come to Phoenix for 8 to 10 weeks of training, ask about our home study course that we're going to soon have, where you can take part of it in the comfort of your own home and just come to Phoenix for a week or 2. We're also getting close to opening up a few more training centers nationwide and that may be closer to you than Phoenix. To close, always remember, only you can choose to have a good or bad day. So be sure and choose a great day and a better tomorrow. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button, and I'll send you my free book, The Secret of Squaring Up. That's a $40 book. I'm going to give it to you. Just ask for it, and you shall receive. The Secret of Squaring Up Any Building. We also will notify you every time we come out with another announcement. That's it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.